Hello, and welcome to the lesson on addition and subtraction with balancing equations. You might be asking, what does balancing equations mean? Well, it is really quite simple. If we see an equal sign in a problem, what shows up on the left side of the equal sign must be the same amount as what shows up on the right side of the equal sign. Now, for our basic addition and subtraction type problems, we usually see this as an equation on one side, like 4 plus 1, and then the answer on the other side, 4 plus 1 would equal 5. So a 4 plus a 1 is the same thing as just the number 5. So an equal sign just means that we need to have the same thing on both sides of the equal sign. So if we take a look at some of the balancing equation problems that you're going to be working on, you might have where you have a missing amount. We call this a variable. A variable is any number that can be represented by a symbol, such as the box here, or it could be a letter, like any in the alphabet. So we have an example over on the left side. If I have 48 and I add 6 to it, I would get the same as the right side that says 54. Let's take a look at this next example. I have 20 plus something, and I need to get an overall amount of 35. So I have to think, what plus 35 equals, or what plus 20 equals 35? One simple way I could do this is I can subtract out the amount I already have known. So I can take 35, I can subtract out 20, and I will find out that it is 15. So my missing box here is 15. I can check my work to see if both sides are balanced now. 20 plus 15 is 35, which is the answer I have on the other side. Let's try a few more examples. Here we have two examples. We have an example on the top and we have an example on the bottom. Feel free to pause the video, give it a try, and see if you can balance your equations. Resume to see if you get the answers correct. Welcome back. Hopefully you gave these a whirl. So on the left side here, if I do 2 plus 3, I get 5. On the other side then, I need 4 plus something to get me a balanced equation, which would be 5. So what plus 4 gets me 5? The answer is 1. On this side, I have 3 plus 6 gets me 9. So the other side has to equal 9. Well, if I already have a 9 and I'm adding something to it, but I still want to get 9 as the answer, the only thing I can add to it is a 0. So 3 plus 6 equals the same answer as 9 plus 0. Give your worksheet a try. If you need help, rewatch the video. Good luck!